to be a woman, giving all your love to just one man. And if you love him, oh, be proud of him, 'cause after all, he's just a man. Stand by your man, arms to cling to, and something warm to come to when nights are cold and lonely.